Grace opens toys. Hi guys, it's Grace here again. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to not miss any of my new videos. Today is going to be a super fun video because I am going to be doing squishy versus real food, but I can't do this alone, as you know, so I'm going to have my best friend Elena here.
Where am I?
Well, you are going to be doing a YouTube with me because you're my lucky guest.
Okay.
Also, guys, she has her own YouTube channel,
A Day in the Life of a Coconut.
Make sure to check it out in the description down below. Let's get started!
And guys, we have these coconut drinks in case we don't like something, and then this will get the flavor out. So.
Yeah, and the coconut's for her YouTube channel, because
We both
Life and Day.
love coconuts.
Explain the rules.
Okay, guys, so the rules are we're going to have a food in a squishy, and we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. Whoever goes first, and you get to choose to keep or swap. You want the squishy, and whoever gets most squishies wins.
And you guys gotta keep, and they gotta keep the squishy that they get, if they get a squishy. And some of them are good food, some of them are bad food.
And we have to eat the food, right?
Yeah, you at least have to take 2 bites.
Oh.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so Grace, you gotta say if you want to keep or swap.
Swap.
You positive?
I'm positive.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Grace got the squishy donut, and Elena got the actual donut.
Look, the squishy donut's so cute.
It's super cute. And it actually looks a lot like the donut.
They're identical.
Kinda. So, Elena, that means you have to take 2 bites.
Oh, God.
She actually doesn't like donuts, guys. So, you have your coconut drink right there.
One.
That's so bad. Ugh.
She doesn't like donuts.
Let me take a bite. Let me take a bite.
Grace.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'll have it.
Okay, yeah, she's going in for the... Is it good, Grace? Grace has 1 point. And since Grace went first last
We
time...
put them on the side if we...
Okay. Since Grace went last time, Elena's gonna go this time. So, Elena, are you gonna
Swap.
keep? You're gonna swap? Okay. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1.
Yes! At least I like peaches. I got the bud. Okay, should I eat it now?
Yeah, take a bite. And 1 more bite.
Ew.
Oh my gosh.
It's
Elena.
so juicy.
You don't have to eat
Bite.
anymore.
No, I'm done.
Okay, it's tied now. Grace's turn. Are you gonna switch, swap, or keep?
Can I see this one?
No, you can't. You're not allowed to touch them. You're not allowed to touch them.
I'll do this one.
Swap, swap.
Okay, and you're not allowed to look or feel it. So, 3, 2, 1.
I knew it.
Strawberry and whipped cream.
I still get to eat the whipped cream.
Okay, sure. I guess that's not bad that you did switch. So Elena's in the lead. She has 2 points, and Grace has 1 point. So,
At least it's good.
what do you like to keep or swap?
Swap.
That didn't hurt you.
3, 2, 1.
No!
Yes!
Yes!
Grace got the watermelon squish.
We're tied.
And Elena got that.
Oh,
They are
squish.
tied now.
The
2
squish.
to 2.
It's so...
Elena, you need to take 2 bites.
And if you really like it, you can eat it.
Elena, that looks totally fake. One more big one. One more big one. Do you not like watermelon?
Not very much.
Oh, okay. Well, put it in your pile, Grace.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna win. I'll still want to drink.
Okay, it's currently round 5. Are you going to keep or swap?
I kind of want to keep. I want to keep.
Okay. She's going to keep it. 3, 2, 1. Oh. She got the squishy baguette, and Grace got the
Can I
actual
eat
baguette.
inside of it?
Just take 2 bites.
That
Oh,
looks really good.
Oh my god.
I'm not sure that she likes baguettes, but
okay. Well, Elena's just like, I'll take it. It's round 6. Is it Elena's turn?
Yeah.
Elena, would you like to keep or swap?
Swap.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
I don't even know what this is.
Well, we both.
I really.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Well,
See, look,
I don't really like
they
cupcakes.
look
so-
identical. Like they're both
Yeah, they're purple and blue.
purple.
Vanilla. All right.
And
You Grace, you have to take at least 2 bites. And Elena is quite ahead. She has 4 points, and Grace has 2 points.
So even if I do get a food, she's not going to catch up to me very easily. So
Nope, not that easily.
it has frosting inside of it.
inside of it.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Okay.
See you guys in 1 second.
Okay, guys. So this is round 7. Would
I'm gonna
you-
swap
You want to swap?
really badly.
Okay. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1.
Yes! Got the.
Elena got a drumstick, and Grace got the ice cream
Oh well, I'm gonna win.
cone. Elena.
Anyway, I'm gonna win. So.
This one has nuts.
Oh, I know what you can do if you don't want the nuts. You can just like kind of turn.
Of course. Now they're just focusing on the ice cream, you guys.
And just take
I'm
that.
trying to get the nuts off it. Hey, you guys. So this is going to be a bonus round. So I know they both hate broccoli. So the loser of this round has to eat the broccoli. And then the winner gets these cute tiny squishies. There's a little avocado, a s'more, a churro, and a donut. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Whose turn is it?
Mine.
All right, Elena. Are you gonna keep or switch?
Don't actually know.
You can't.
Go, Elena, or I'll choose for you.
I'm gonna keep.
All right.
3.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Oh!
I won! No, we tied. No, I won. I got 4 points.
Sorry, Elena.
I'm not eating the broccoli.
Elena.
Can I eat it? How about I'll have half and you have half? Because I'm a nice best friend. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Elena.
Oh,
It's cold.
Just eat it. All of it.
There.
Oh my god. Grace got 7 because she got 4 extra from the bonus round. And then Elena got 4. She would have won if she got the other one. They're right here. Grace is laughing and Elena just looks sad. Okay, guys, I'm here to give Grace $500. But since Elena did try her best, she gets $20.
and I get 500. See, guys?
Okay, I'll go put this in the piggy bank. Or take it.
No! Let's get her out! Thanks for watching. Make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications. Peace out.
Bloopers. We're gonna edit it, but no, stay there because
I just spilled all over myself.
Are you guys ready? Okay, ready?
I'm choking.
Grace felt sad, so we gave her a drumstick too. I'm gonna give you